Hey folks, welcome back to Carl's Off the Grid. This is a special segment that I do called Hot Product Review, and this week I have got possibly the hottest hot product review for you guys out of all. So enjoy the video, and I can't wait to show you what we've got. So thank you so much for joining us this week on Carl's Off the Grid. So this week's hot product review happens to be this patio heater, and let me tell you, when I call it a hot product review, it's exactly what it is. I can feel the heat pouring off of here. I'm not sure if the camera catches it, but you can see a lot of the heat that's distributing off the top of this draft hood. I'll tell you a little bit about the heater now that we have it all assembled and we have it functioning. It comes with an electronic igniter, and it's very easy to go ahead and light your pilot light. It also has the storage space where you can put a 5-gallon to maybe a 7-gallon propane tank inside and run it off the propane, which is a benefit because unlike natural gas heaters, natural gas are usually stationary. Propane, this is now going to be mobile. You can go ahead and move this heater to wherever you want to heat your area. The mechanics of this heater are very simple. You have an igniter, and then you have your gas control. To light the heater, all that you do is you switch this over to the pilot area and press in the button. Go ahead and hit the sparker. Hold in this button for roughly 20 seconds. And while you're doing that, the thermocouple is heating up. You can release this and then go ahead and turn the dial up to whatever desired flame you want. You can see as I turn this dial, the flame will raise or lower to whatever desired level you want it and for whatever desired heat you want. It's very easy to function. And then all the controls are nicely concealed by a stainless steel door that snaps into the bottom and then has a magnetic lock at the top. Overall, I have to tell you, I am thrilled with the ease that it took to go ahead and assemble this. The quality of the product is pretty good, high quality product. This is all made out of a lightweight metal. It's very easy to transport. It has easy to move wheels on the back of it. So even if you're not a big husky guy or whatever, the smallest frame person can grab this, tilt it back, and easily move it to wherever they want. It's pretty safe. Right now I am touching this. This has been running for quite a while, and it still is cool enough that I can touch it without getting burnt, even though I do have a tremendous amount of heat that are coming out from the unit. Overall, I have to tell you, I'm pretty darn thrilled. I think this would work great. If you have a larger patio, you could get probably one at each end of the patio, and it would do a very good job of heating your area for you. Or if you have a small business, say maybe a diner where you have outside eating, this would be great in that situation to have it for outside atmosphere. My wife had brought up the point that it would be kind of cute to take this out with us the next time we go down by the lake and set it up by the gazebo so we could be outside in the winter time and watch the sunset. So yeah, I'm really thrilled with this product. What I'm going to do is I will leave a link in the video description. Make sure you check out the video description if you are interested in this product. The pricing will be in there. You can buy it right off Amazon and they will deliver it right to your home. And it's just a great product. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time on Carl's Off the Grid.